Hello. Are you like me and needed a way to vacuum up the sawdust that you get from your woodworking projects? Well, I had that problem and this is how I solved it. So, I created and 3D printed this little bad dadder here. It's just connected to some 2-inch PVC pipe that gets sucked up into my little box here that all the sawdust goes into, and from there it'll go down into my vacuum. And this is also a very short video, not really giving you dimensions or anything, but just a quick video to watch for ideas. So I just got done 3D printing part over there I'll tell you guys about here. But I was waiting for it to cool down. I sat down in the bed and I didn't know it, but like I know when it cools, it'll just pop off real easy. Well, I was sitting here and all of a sudden I could hear it go and separate from the plate because that plastic expands, or in this case contracts more than that metal, so that was satisfying. Let's see. I'm not sure which piece it was. Nope. There, that just came off like it didn't even need anything. And that one popped off easy. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see, but my Bambu Lab A1 has been great, and this would have been the bottom of the build print plate here, but it kind of like it kind of picked up off the plate a little bit, so it's making this joint hard. This is probably not the best joint, but I couldn't figure out a better way to slice it, so I'll probably end up just like super gluing a strip across the top as like a brace. It's okay. You can say it. That's a nice brace. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Well, thanks for watching the video. As you can obviously tell, I'm no professional YouTuber, so I just wanted to make something that hopefully you can use to help yourself out. Have a good one.